Come get us, Buzz. We're ready to kick some ass.
Yeah, we're gonna kick some ass because my master said so.
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, they're ready. Let's go. Everybody get to line. Take this, you stupid birds. Stop. You're shooting. Blue, go. Okay. Retarded one. Shoot at all of them. Shoot the left one. No, shoot the right one. Wrong choice. Ha ha, you missed. No! Master, I failed you.
Yeah, motherfucker.
I'm getting tired of this. Don't win. Shoot him down. I'm going to go for bigger air. We're taking too much fire. What are we going to do? I'm mad at you! I'll sacrifice myself, guys. I'll come back in the next episode anyway. But Taliban, you only get 4 lives in the whole season. Are you sure you want to risk that? Yes, this is the perfect time. Oh my God! I think it's over, guys.
It's over! Yay!
So that's what you did.